Hello, today I'm going to show you what is a reciprocal and zero that does not have a reciprocal. Venga para acá. Alright. Venga, vuela, venga acá. Pone a Pepe así. Okay, alright, déjalo así. Okay, today what I'm going to show you is a reciprocal. Alright, so 3 times 1/3 equals 1. This is a reciprocal. 3 has a reciprocal 1/3. 4 times 1/4 is a reciprocal equals 1. You know, a reciprocal equals 1. And 0 does not have a reciprocal because 0 does not like it doesn't like anything times 0 will equal 0. You know what I mean? So like 0 times 1 will equal 0. There's no number that 0 times whatever will equal 1. Like every reciprocal, every number would have to have equal 1 if you multiply. So 0 times 3 equals 0. Nothing times 0 times nothing is 1, no matter what. It's impossible. So this is why 0 does not have a reciprocal. Only these numbers, like it can be -5 and it'll be 1 over -5 and it'll equal 1. You know what I mean? Any number has a reciprocal besides 0, because 0 times any number will equal 0 no matter what. There's no way in the world that 0 times whatever will equal 1. So this is my video by David Morales, and thank you, and I appreciate for everything you have done, and I hope you guys learn very well. Bye.